Good morning, everyone. What is up? Welcome back to my channel if you are new here. My name is Hannah and I'm addicted to coffee. No, for real. I'm in the Dunkin' line this morning getting an iced coffee. I'm gonna get an iced coffee with 2 creams and 2 pumps of vanilla because that is my go-to. And it is my Thursday tradition to treat myself to some coffee. I actually have a really busy day up ahead. This man's is about to watch me talk to myself because he's probably standing on the gate. Okay. But we actually have a really busy day ahead of us. I'm headed out of town at 3:30-ish. I rented a condo in the mountains for the weekend, so away from civilization, safe. We're gonna go to a few like outdoor wineries, go hiking and stuff like that, but it'll just be like a nice little getaway. Much needed. I cannot emphasize that enough. So that is the current plan for today. I need to pack. I need to clean up my room a little bit. I have a work call that I'm actually taking in a few hours, and I have a few other things to catch up on. I'm going to try to finish editing a YouTube video so that I can get that up for you guys either before I leave or like have it for when I'm gone. I'm not entirely sure yet, but I want to finish it and upload it and like create the thumbnail and whatnot, so it's just kind of out of the way. But yeah, that's the current plan. I just need to get some coffee in my system first. Ooh, I also want a breakfast sandwich.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, can I get a medium iced coffee with 2 creams and 2 pumps of vanilla? And
Medium iced coffee with 2 cream and 2 vanilla. Is that all?
No, can I also do the bacon, egg, and cheese go-to? The Dunkin' go-to?
So you want 2 bacon, egg, and cheese?
Yes, please.
On croissant? Do you want on croissants or bagels?
Croissant, please.
Is that gonna be all?
Yes.
Alright, it's gonna be $8.36.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, I just got home from Dunkin'. We secured the bag. This really hit different this morning. I'm glad I did that. But now I need to clean up my room before I pack a little bit. I just want to make sure that everything is put in its place before I make a mess again, trying to figure out all my outfits and everything. And it's honestly, it's really not that messy, but I have like all those pillows. I need to make my bed, bring some cups downstairs. You know, we just have some general housekeeping things that we can take care of before making the mess again. So let's go ahead and do that. I will put this on like a little time lapse, a little satisfying time lapse, so you guys can witness organization at its finest. So much better already. Like I said, didn't really do much, but feel better. So I already started making a pile of things I want to bring. I'm going to bring this book to read. John wants to borrow this book. We have the iPad, cords, little Polaroid camera, and I'm going to get a bunch of other things in line as well. I need to start with getting stuff from the bathroom. I know hotels have the little like shampoo things that you can borrow, but I just like bringing my own shampoo and conditioner because it makes me feel a lot better, and like the other shampoos and conditioners like really make my hair super greasy and gross. So for the sake of just like feeling good and feeling like a presentable human, I always bring my own stuff, and then my own dry shampoo, toothbrush, and everything like that. I have everything laid out on my bed and on this dresser behind me. I'll just show you guys what I decided to pack and like how I packed, and basically just like the thought process behind packing. I know I've done a few of these videos before, but I always just find it so interesting how other people decide to pack and how other people organize their things, and it gives me some great tips and ideas for like following trips or next trips. So maybe I'll give you guys some ideas from this. Starting with toiletries, I just have this massive makeup bag that honestly I could put other things in. So I have like acne cream, literally all the makeup that I could possibly need. I'm pretty sure I got this from Amazon for like 15 bucks. Would highly recommend looking there if you're in the market for a reusable, nice, heavy-duty makeup bag. Then we have some dry shampoo in case I don't want to wash my hair. I'm trying to wash my hair less frequently, so dry shampoo is essential. Deodorant, I just have this little perfume that I like to travel with. I have 2 kinds of perfume, so I have this one that I tend to travel with, and then I have this one over here that I started using on a daily basis just because it looks pretty and it smells good, but I don't want to bring the glass bottle with me. Then I have my hairbrush. We have toothpaste, floss, obviously essential, and then I have this small pack of just small pack of makeup wipes. This is like their travel version. Then I have this massive bag of basically all my liquids. Please don't come for me for using the plastic bag. I know I should invest in like a reusable plastic bag for this, but this just works for me. So I have like my shampoos, my face wash, my lotion, I have my razor, and then I have my toothbrush. Basically anything that could potentially leak or is wet that I don't want to like have it affect other items in my bag, I put in a massive plastic Ziploc bag just in case it does leak or explode. It doesn't get all over everything else. So that is it for toiletries. For clothes over here, I already showed you guys this stuff, so I'm not going to re-talk about it basically. But for clothes, I just have like a nice outfit in case we go to a vineyard. I have a second outfit in case we just like want to go out to dinner. This one, like, no holes in the jeans, nicer top, sweater. This one has holes in the jeans, cool color sweater, so kind of like an edgier outfit and then like a nicer outfit. Pajamas to sleep in. We have bra, strapless bra, essential. I always forget a strapless bra and I'm not forgetting it this time because I need it for that shirt. We have the just comfy Calvin Klein sports bra, underwear, you guys don't need to see that. And then we have a sweatshirt and then comfy / workout clothes in case we decide to go for a hike, because we might do that Saturday morning pending, hello focus, pending the weather being nice. So yeah, that's it for the clothes. And now I need to put it all in this bag. If you guys are new to my channel and you haven't seen any of my previous packing videos before, I just dropped the hanger on the floor, that's sick. If you guys haven't seen my videos before, I know that Vera Bradley is like not really a thing anymore, but I swear by this duffel. I got this for a high school graduation present, and I've used it for what? I've been out of high school for 5-6 years now, and this thing is held up. It's been literally all around the world, all through the city. It has touched probably so many surfaces. Don't worry, I wash it, but it tends to fit like all of the clothes, all the toiletries that I need for a weekend trip or even a week trip, and it's just really, really nice to carry around versus a suitcase. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack this all up in this bag. But yeah, if you guys are looking for a cute little duffel with a pattern or like just one that holds up, check out Vera Bradley. Like I said, I know it's not a super popular store anymore, but I think they do have like basic like just all black or all tan bags, and I really love it. Alright, now that I've finished packing, I'm going to go ahead and start editing, or finish up editing, this past week's work week in my life video to get that up for you guys, because I want to have it up either Saturday or Sunday. I'm not entirely sure, but either way I won't have time to do it this weekend if I don't do it now, and it's almost finished, so I just need to honestly make some final touches, upload it to YouTube, do all of like the little music creds, make the thumbnail, so on and so forth, all of like the boring stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I had some issues with the thumbnail because the app that I normally use is called PIXI, but PIXI's network is down today, and I just really wanted to get this thumbnail finished, so I used PicMonkey, and I kind of love the way it turns out. I did like a little different font this time with some corner accents. I don't know how I feel about the corner accents, but I feel like sometimes it's fun just to mix the thumbnails up. It's also kind of just like a good experiment to see like what type of thumbnails people click on, because the thumbnail is like one of the most important parts of a video, because that's like the first thing people see, that in the title. So sorry, I just turned Netflix on, that was really loud. So I like experimenting with thumbnails sometimes, and I haven't really found one that I absolutely love yet. I'm continuing to experiment just to see what catches people's eyes. So this is all finished. We have the description done, we have the title done, we have Thematic Credz. This is like the website that I use for the free music. You have to give them credit or they will literally copyright your video as soon as you post it. They're very good about that. All the tags are done. I set the location to Washington, D.C., and so now I'm just waiting for it to process. I have it scheduled to go up this Sunday at 9 a.m. So yeah, I'm excited for that.
Actually, such a multi-purpose room, really. We leaned in hard and went like with extra zones, extra heavy on the zones. It's so
Alrighty guys, I'm getting ready to head out the door because it's 3:06 now and I actually need to leave by 3:30. So I just wanted to formally end off this vlog before I head out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little morning / day in my life. If you like these types of videos, be sure to stick around and subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys next time. Bye.